Hi, it's Dr. Deal here today, and on this video I want to talk to you about the problems with traditional laboratory values. The number one problem is they're far too broad to pick up health problems until they become very serious. Essentially, laboratory values are a bell curve analysis of everyone who's had labs done at a particular location. They throw out the low end, the high end, and everything in between is classified as normal. Now, may not be normal for you, particularly if you're having symptoms. And think about it, obviously, more and more sick people are having labs done. That means that over time, these laboratory values have become far too broad to pick up these minor fluctuations in physiology. So what we would prefer to focus on, and our focus in our office is on what constitutes good health, what would be the optimal. So we use functional ranges of what would be the ideal ranges. And these are based off clinical experience and research. And the nice thing about these ranges is they do not change. That's the second problem with laboratory values, is that they're non-standardized, meaning that you may have a high value at one laboratory and it not show up at another. They vary from lab to lab and state to state, and particularly with the traditional medical model, in which we only have time for those 5 to 10 minute office visits. Oftentimes all your doctor has time to do is scan that blood work for H's and L's. So if it doesn't jump out off the paper at him, it may be missed, and we're not going to catch things until, again, it's become pathological, and the only option within the medical realm at that point is medication. And again, we want to pick up things that are being missed or overlooked, and that's really why you come to us, because the traditional medical model has not worked for you. You're told that everything's normal, you're on medications, yet you're still having all these symptoms. So we need to look outside that traditional medical box in order to help people suffering from chronic conditions. If you're interested in discovering more about how our unique neurometabolic approach may be the answer for your health problems, I invite you to call our office to set up an initial discovery visit.